guys, it's Miss Jenn from the kindergarten class. I wanted to read a book called A Green Garden today because it's springtime, and I don't know about all of you guys who have been stuck at home, but I have been working on my garden and growing grass and all that fun stuff so that way it can grow because it is the season for that. So this is A Green Garden by Mercer. Right. It's time to plant my garden. We go to the store. It has everything we need. So theirs is the Mr. Pinky's garden store, and ours would be like Lowe's or Home Depot, I think. I want a green garden. I find seeds, plant. Mom says we will buy some seeds. So she's picking out some seeds, and look, he's very excited. Dad says we'll also buy some baby plants. They all look the same. See, he's looking at all those plants, and I don't know if you guys have been to the garden store, but when I go to the garden store, I feel the same way. They all look the same because they're still babies. Dad rents a plow from Mr. Pinky. We go home to plant my green garden. Oh, so they're off. They're ready. Dad plows the garden. We pick up stones and clumps of grass. It's not very fun. No, I agree. I didn't think it was very fun to do the cleanup work either. We plant the seeds and the baby plants. I'm tired, so I need some cool water. I know that on those hot days when you've been gardening all day, it's nice to have a glass of water, that's for sure. We are finished. I say now we can rest. But Dad says, well, we have to water each plant. So we take turns because you have to water your plants in order for your plants to grow. Every day we weed, water, and wait. We weed, water, and wait some more. Sometimes it takes a long time for things to grow. We wait a lot. Dad takes pictures. At school, I learn more about gardening. Oh, kind of like at school. We were learning about plants and gardening as well. We make a compost heap full of old leaves and stuff. It makes a good garden dirt. We buy worms to put in my garden. I wouldn't do that. We buy good bugs and eat bad bugs. Oh, I'd eat bad bugs. Oh, look, ladybugs. Deer come and eat some of my garden. Blue wants to protect it. So they got the doggy because they don't want anything to eat in their garden. They're trying to grow it. Because look, it's going to be some food for them to eat. Finally, I have a green garden. I have yellow, orange, and red garden too. So look at all those fruits and veggies. It looks like some tomatoes, some squash, some pumpkins. Gee, that's a good garden. Now we have a great dinner, all from my green garden. That looks yummy. I planted tomatoes. So let's see what you guys planted. Have you guys planted anything during all of this crazy times where we have to sit at home? Let us know. Comment below. All right, guys, have a good afternoon. Talk to you soon.